Hello everyone, welcome to the another lecture of fraction class 6. Myself Suman Singh. Today we will discuss about exercise 5.9. So in the first question it has been written find 7 by 3 into 15. So what we have to do, we have just, it is a very simple, you see here, we know that 15 we can divide by 3, right? 5 3s are 15, right? So here what we will do, we will just subtract 3 ones are 3, okay, and 3 fives are 15, okay. After that what we have left, 7 into 5, right? So 7 fives are 35. So I hope you have understood this, right? In this way you can do this one also. 7 7 threes are 21, right? Now 3 threes are 9. So I hope you have understood this, right? It's very simple. Now question number 2a, what is given, express the following as instructed. Number 1 is what, 3 by 5th of an hour in minute, means what, 1 hour is what, 60 minutes, right? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 3 by 5th of the hour means what, 3 by 5 of 60, right? So we can subtract like this, 5 ones are 5 and 5 12 are 60, right? Now after that when you will multiply this, 12 into 3 is what, 12 into 3 is 36, right? So it will be 36 minutes. I hope it is very easy, right? Now again in 1 year, we have to express 5 by 6 of a year in a month. We know that in 1 year there are 12 months, so 5 by 6 of the year will be 5 by 6 of 12. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. After that 5 2s are 10, 10 months, right? So in this way we have to do this, right? Now next is question number 5, sorry, question number 3. So in question number 3 we will see that it has been written multiply and express the following mixed fraction, means they are given in mixed fraction. You have to first solve that and after that we have to multiply. As you can see, 4 into 8, 1 by 8. So what we will do, we will multiply this 8 with this, okay. It will be 8 8 is 64, right? 64 plus 1, it will be 65, right? As you can see here, 65 by 2 and 65 by 8 we can write like this, right? 4 into 65 by 8. After that what we can do, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, okay. So it will be 65 by 2. Now again when we will divide 65, when you will divide 65 divided by 2, at that time 2 threes are 6, okay. 5 will be left here, 2 twos are 4 here, we will get 1 here. So what we will write, 32, 32, first one this, first this, after that the remainder, and after that this, right? So 32 1 by 2 we can express like this, okay. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is, this one is also same, next question is also same, B is also same, and D is also same, okay. C is also same. Now question number 4, there are so many examples, 10 questions are there, right? So what they have asked, find the following product and reduce them in a lowest form. We have to find a product, after that we have to reduce in the lowest form. This is also very easy, I will do one and you can do like rest, right? As you can see, 2 by 5 into 15 by 4. So what we will do, we can subtract like this, right? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Let me do here. We have got what, sorry, we have got here 2 into 15 divided by 5 into 4, right? So it is very easy. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we have got what, 3 by 2, as you can see. So when you will divide 3 divided by 2, we will get 1, 2 ones are 2, we'll get 1 here. So we can write what, 1, 1 by 2, as you can see, right? And rest are all same, as you can see, both all are same. I have done already done here, you see this, okay. Now next is question number 5. Mohan covers a distance of 71 by 3 kilometer in 1 hour, means this much distance he travel in 1 hour by car, okay. Now next they are asking that how much distance we will he cover in 6 hours, means just we have to multiply, okay. Since you can see in 1 hour, in 1 hour when you will solve this 71 by 3, we will get what, 211 by 3, okay, kilometer. So we can write like this, right? In 1 hour he covers this much kilometer, so in 6 hour it will be 6 into this much, okay. As you can see, we have multiplied this, 6 3 ones are 3, 3 2 is 6. Now in 2 into 211 will be 442 kilometer, right? So this is same, right? It is also very easy. Now question number 6, Arman spent 4 by 5 fifth of his income in an household expenses. His monthly salary is 20,000. How much he save every month? So it is very easy. 4 by 5 multiplied by 20,000. As you can see, his monthly income is what this. He spend on in household expenses is 4 by 5 of 20,000. So we will get, when you will divide 5 with this 20,000, we will get 1 2 3 4 4,000. Okay, so 4 into 4,000 will be 16,000. So how much it is left? 4,000 is left. He has his saving is 4,000 every month, right? As you can see here. Next is the side of a question number 7. The side of an equilateral triangle is equilateral triangle measure is 4 2 by 3 centimeters. So I find the semi perimeter of the triangle. So first of all, you solve this one. 4 2 by 3, it will be 14 by 3 centimeters. So we know that side of an equilateral triangle is what? 14 by 3 centimeter. We have to find out the semi perimeter of the triangle. It will be 3 into side divided by 2. So as you can see, this is a formula. Okay, you don't think that from where it has come. It is a formula. Okay, so 3 into side divided by 2. So 3 into side is what? 14 by 3. As you can see, 3 and side is what? 14 by 3. 14 by 3 into 2. So we can write like this: 2 sevens are 14 and 3 will be cancelled out. 7 centimeter will be the answer, right? Next question number 8 is what? A scooter used 1 liter of petrol to run 21 kilometer. What distance he will cover using 5 1 by 3 liters of petrol? So first of all, we will convert this into a simple fraction. As you can see, we have converted this. So in 1 liter of petrol, he travels 21 kilometers. So in 16 by 3 liters of petrol, the scooter's run will be this multiplied with this 21. So when we will multiply 3 sevens are 21, we will get 16 into 7, which is 112 kilometer. So 112 we can write like this: 112 kilometer distance it will cover using 5 1 by 3 liters of petrol. Now next is again same. The cost of 1 kg tomato is 21. 1 by 3, find the cost of 4 1 by 2 kg tomato. So it is also easy, very easy. As you can see, we have solved this one, we have solved this one. Okay, so cost of 1 kg tomato is what? 64 by 3 after solving this, right? Now the cost of 9 by 2 kg of tomato after solving this one, we will multiply this 2. So when you will multiply this, you will get 96 rupees. Okay, now next is find the area of rectangular park which is 9 1 by 3 meter long and length and breadth is given. Okay, we have to find the rectangle, area of rectangle. So we know that area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth, right? So length is given here, 9 1 by 3. 9 1 by 3 is the length and breadth is 7 1 by 2. So we will solve this. After that, when we will solve this 9 1 by 3, we will get 28 by 3. Okay, and when we will solve this 1 by 2 7 1 by 2, we will get 15 by 2. Okay, so perimeter, area of rectangular part is what? Length into breadth. So when you will multiply this, we will get 70 meter, right? So this was about the exercise 5.9. Now we will see exercise 5.10. Now we will see exercise 5.10. Okay, so when we talk about exercise 5.10, it is written: find number A is 15 divided by 3 by 5, and 1 2 3 question number 1 2 and 3 both are same. Okay, 3 of them are same. So I will do one for you. It is written 15 divided by 3 by 5. So what we have to do? We have to do nothing, just use this 15, you keep it as it is. Okay, and this divide sign, in place of divide sign you write multiply sign, and just flip this one. You write 5 upside and 3 downside. Are you getting this, right? You just flip this one. 5 will go upside and 3 will come here. So you will write here 5 by 3 like this. Okay, so when you will divide this, 5 3 is 15. Okay, 3 into 5, we will get 3 into 5, which is 3 5s are 15. Okay, not 3 5s are 15. So we will get here 5 into 5, which is 25. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is you see here 12 2 by 3. So 12 will be as it is. In place of 2 by 3 we will give multiply. In place of divide sign we will give multiply sign, and we will flip this one. 3 will go upside, 2 will come downside, as you can see here. Now again we will 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. Now 6 into 3 is 18. So I hope you can do this, right? So 1, 2 and 3 are same. We will see question number 4. Question number 4 is what? The product of two number is 42. If one number is 2, 4 by 5, find the other. Means what? Two number. One number is this, another number is this. Product means in multiply, right? So product of two number is, here it is given 42. Okay. Suppose this number is given here 2, 4 by 5. So this number we have to find out. So what we will do, we will just divide this one with this, we will get this. Okay, as you can see here, one number is given, other number is just divided by this. Okay, 42 divided by 2, 4 by 5. So we will get the other number here, as you can see here, 15, right? Now next is question number 5. By what number should this must be multiplied to get this? By what number means what? Suppose this number is x here. By what number this should be multiplied? By what number this 3 by 10 should be multiplied to get 1, 4 by 5? So what we have to do, we have to multiply this two number. Okay, this number and this number, as you can see. This one when you will solve, it will give you 9 by 5 divided by 3 by 10. So when you will multiply this, we will get 6 here. Okay, now question number 6. Area of rectangle is given 42 centimeter. Breadth is given, you have to find length. So we know that area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So breadth, to find out the breadth, what we will do? Area divided by length. So when you will and divide this, again we have to flip, right? We have what I have told you, we have to flip this. So as you can see here, as you can see, 42 divided by 228 by 3, 13. So when you will flip this, 13 will go upside, 28 will go down, will come downside, and after that we will get this. So I hope you are understanding this. Okay, now next is question number 7. The product of two number is 12, 3 by 4. If one number is 2, 1 by 8, calculate the other same. We have to multiply, we have to divide this and this. Okay, we will get this. Next is question number now question number 8. Question number 7 you have understood, right? One number is the product of two numbers, same thing. One number is here, this number is here, multiplied by this. The product of two number is given 12, 3 by 4, and one number is suppose given here 2, 1 by 8. We have to find the other number. Suppose this one we have to find. So what we will do, we will divide this one with this. As you can see, it is done here, right? We have divided this with this and this. When you will divide, you will get here 6. So other number is 6. Now for question number 8, now we will see question number 8. For question number 8, now question number 8 is what? If the cost of 1 by 2 kg grapes is 330, find the cost of 1 kg. Very simple. Cost of 1 by 2 kg is this one. We have to find the cost of 1 kg. So what we will do, we will divide this with this, as you can see here. When you will divide this, we will get rupees 60, right? I hope you are understanding this, right? Next is question number 5. Length of a ribbon of length 6, 1 by 4 meter is cut into 5 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each pieces. Length of the ribbon is this. It has been cut into what? 5 pieces. So what we have to find? To find the length of one piece, what we will do? We will divide this to 5 divided by 6, 1 by 4. 6, 1 by 4, when you will solve, you will get 25 by 4. So after that, after solving this one, you will get 1 by 4 here, right? Now next is a car travel a distance of 208 kilometer. As you can see, 208 kilometer in 4 1 by 3 hours. How many hours it used to take? 4 1 by 3. So 4 1 by 3, when you will solve, you will get 13 by 3 hours. Okay, so to travel this much distance, he take this much time. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the distance traveled in 1 hour. So to find out the distance traveled in 1 hour, we will divide this one with this. So when you will divide this, you will get this 48 kilometer. As you can see, I have done here, right? Now next question is question number 11. Question number 11 is 3 by 5th of the pole was painted in red color and the remaining 6 meter was painted with white color. What is the length of the pole? Suppose this is a pole here, okay, this is a pole. Suppose this is 3 by 5th part. Suppose this is 3 by 5th part. Just take the example. This 3 by 5th part has been painted with a red color, okay. This one, this part, this part is painted with red color, okay, and the remaining part is painted with white color. The remaining part is painted with, suppose, white color, like this, okay. So we have to find out what we have to find the total length of this pipe, okay. So how we can find out? Let we can see it out. I hope you have understood the question, right? So now let the length of the pipe be x. We are just assuming that the length of the pipe is x, okay. Now we have given what? We have given that 3 by 5th of the length, 3 by 5th of x means what? 3 by 5 of the pole was painted with red color, as you can see here, painted with red color, right, and 6 meter was painted with white color. So what will be the equation? It will be length of the pole, okay, length of the pole minus 3x by 5, which was painted with red, is equal to painted with white, okay, as you can see here, x minus 3 by 5 is equal to 6 meter. So when you will solve this, you will take your LCM. When you will solve this, you will get x is equal to 15 meter, okay. So the length of the pole is what? 15 meter, right? The next question is also same, okay. If the garden, in the garden, 1 by 4th of the plant were rose plant, okay, and 2 by 3 were jasmine plant, and the remaining 30 were hibiscus plant, how many total plants were there in the garden? So what we are taking, let the total plant in the garden be x. We are taking as x, and with that x total plant, with this total plant, 1 by 4 is rose, as you can see, x minus 1 by 4 is rose, 2x by 3 were jasmine, which is equal to 30 hibiscus. As you can see, when you will solve this one by taking the LCM, you will get what? 360 plants, right? Now next is question number 13. So question number 13 is a fruit basket had 10 dozen mangoes, okay. 10 dozen mangoes means 10 into 12, which is 120 mangoes, as you can see, 120 mangoes, right? And out of which 1 by 15 got spoiled. 1 by 15 got spoiled means what? 1 by 15 of 120 got spoiled, which means 8 mangoes got spoiled, right? 1 by 15 into total was 120, right? 1 by 15 of this 120 has got spoiled, right? So when you will multiply this, you will get 8 mangoes, right? Now next is what? 1 by 3 were eaten. 1 by 3 out of this, 1 by 3 were eaten means 1 by 3 of 120 were eaten. So when you will multiply this, you will get 40 mangoes. So 40 mangoes were eaten and 8 mangoes were spoiled, okay. So total mangoes left is what? For these two we will add, so it will become 48, okay. It will become what? 48 minus 120, total was 120, minus 48, we will get what? 72 mangoes was left, right? Now question number 14. The lady went to the market with 2000 rupees. Here he went to the market with 2000 rupees, and with this 2000 he has spent 1 by 4th on vegetable and fruit. With this, in this 2000 he has spent 1 by 4th to the vegetable and fruits, okay, means 500 here spent on fruits and vegetable, and the rest on provision, which is 2 by 5th on provision, which is 800. So we will add this two, it will be 1300, right, and minus with 2000, we will get what? 700 amount is left in his hand, right? Now next is question number 15, which is the last question. After traveling 2 by 5th of the journey, okay, suppose the total journey is x, okay, suppose the total journey is x, okay, and after traveling 2 by 5th of his journey, Joy found that he still had to cover 15 kilometer. Okay, means this one is the total distance. Okay, with this total distance, this much distance has been traveled, means it will be subtracted from this total distance. Now what he sees that he found that 15 kilometer is still left. So what we can write, x minus 2 by 5 of the total journey, which is how much is left, 15 kilometer is left, right? So when you will solve this, you will get x is equal to 25 kilometer, means the total distance was 25 kilometer. So I hope you have got this. Now this one, question number exercise 5.11. Exercise 5.11 is just a calculation. Okay, as you can see here, I have done all the questions, since because it was very lengthy, questions was very big, so I have done everything for you, and nothing new is here. Whatever we have discussed, it is everything is here. Okay, as you can see, but just what we have to do, you have to practice this, because it is very complicated. You have to follow this. Okay, how I have done here, you have to follow each and every step, and the rest is same. Here you have to use multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. Four of all the four whatever we have learned now, till now, we have to add, we have to apply everything here, as you can see, right? I have applied, right? So you just try to practice this at home, right? Then only you will able to solve this. Nothing new is here, everything is same. Just try to practice this, then you can easily calculate this. Okay, till I hope then now from here we have completed this exercise, I mean this chapter. Now next chapter is decimal. So from the next class we will start decimal. Okay, till that, thank you.